po. So, nandito kami ngayon sa McDonald's. So, dito na kami mag-breakfast kasi lahat ng mga restaurant dito close pa sila kasi mamayang 10 pa and 11 sila mag-open. So, dito muna kami sa McDonald's kakain. And kasama ko ang aking fiancé, aking chowa. And syempre si tatay. Siyempre si tatay din kasama namin.
Hello.
Ito lang naman yung breakfast namin today. Chicken, rice. Siyempre hindi mawawala ang fries.
Wala naman po si Chavez.
So, yun.
A few moments later.
So, hello amazing people! So, nandito na kami ngayon sa Mirador, Heritage and Eco. Tapos, ito nga umuulan pero okay lang. Rain or shine tayo guys. So, let's go! Bale, second time ko naman na pumunta dito. And hindi namin na-expect na umuulan pala dito sa Baguio. And ang daming tao pa rin. Kasi long weekend at saka walang pasok. Hanggang sa 40 na ata walang pasok dito. So ayun, nagdagsahan. Kaya grabe din. Wala din kaming nag-stayan na hotel.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine and you just can't get it.
Kaya no choice din. Buti na lang yung kabsat ko, si Kat, thank you so much sa paghahanap ng transient namin. So, nag-stay na kami sa Roseville. So, bali hindi ko na vlog yun kagabi. So, ayun. So, ayun na, pasyal na kami. So, see you later, mga amazing people. Ayan si tatay. Go na go pa rin si tatay. Ooh.
Mabasa na. Mabasa. Hey, lobat eh.
Simple thing, we're having tired and I need somewhere to begin. I came across a fallen tree. I felt the branches of it looking at me. Is this the place we used to go? Is this the place that I've been dreaming of? Oh, sympathy, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely. So tell me when you're gonna let me. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. And if you haven't been, it won't do me good. Talk about it somewhere only. This can be the end of everything. So why don't we go somewhere only? Somewhere only. Oh, sympathy, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely. So tell me when you're gonna let me. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. And if you haven't been, it won't do me good. Talk about it somewhere only. This can be the end of everything. So why don't we go somewhere only? Somewhere only.
Tara na. Let's go.
Na, anin.
Okay na. Let's go. Alam mo man dito. So, ito yung tinatawag na amazing. Kasi, nakaka-amaze yung view. Kinaya pa din kahit na sobrang lamig. Na kahit na umuulan. And ang mga tao, amazing sila. Tapos yung mga tao, amazing din sila kasi kinaya din. Kinaya din kahit na umuulan. At kahit sobrang lamig. So, yun lang. So, tapos na. And next na naman, uwi muna kami. Tapos magpalit ng damit. Tapos punta tayo next sa SM na tayo. See you there, mga amazing people. Busog ka dyan.
A few moments later.
Thank you. Thank you. So na pa. Madagong. Eh, pa.
One hour later.